Hi guys, so my husband got home super early and I was gonna take Layla to the park, but he ended up taking her for me. So I am just going to clean my little heart out while they're gone. I'm so excited just to have this time without her like wanting me. So I just thought I'd film it for you. Here is my daughter's little sort of like reading nook / play area, but she always brings like snacks and her milk and everything. So I just really like to wipe everything down really good because it gets really messy. And yeah, so she'll bring like her snacks and stuff, and then our dog, you can see there, I'll like follow behind her licking up anything that she drops or spills. So it gets pretty gross and I've been wanting to clean it, so. I know it looks like I've created a lot more work for myself, but I just wanted to get in there and give it a really deep cleaning in that area. So I just pulled everything out. My daughter has so many books. I don't know what to do with them because she really loves all of her books, and that's like the one thing. Books and coloring are like the things that she can like do independently, and she really enjoys, and she can do it for quite a while. So you don't want to declutter it too much, but I feel like it's getting a little overwhelming. I think I counted that she has like 63 books, not just in that area, but also in her room. And here's my little corner. This is where I have my quiet time. I just sit here every morning, and I have this little basket that has my Bible, my journals, my highlighters, and also my planner. And so this is just like when I grab my coffee, I come and sit over here. We have to have our dog's crate right here, and so I just I thought, let me try to like put together a little basket or something to hold something, so it could also be a little bit more practical for us as well. I feel like we have too much furniture in our living room, and this is like something that has to stay because we use the crate like every day, and we don't have room for like end tables or a coffee table. So anyways, that's sort of what I use his crate for. But yeah. And now I'm just putting her things back in her corner. I somehow deleted the clip where I mopped that corner, but I just used a Bona mop and the Method Squirt-In Mop, and I love this Method Squirt-In Mop. It's just so, it smells so good, and it's so easy to use with the Bona mop. So let me know if you've tried it or what you use to mop. I also have the Cedar Spin Mop, but it just seems like too much work to get the thing out, fill it up with water, and then when you're done, like dumping out the water and cleaning it out and all that stuff. And then also cleaning the Cedar like spin mop head. Like I don't know if, yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to like put it in the washing machine every time you use it, or just like wring it out, or what. But it's just a little bit too complicated for me. So I really like this because I can just pull off the mop at the bottom and throw it in the wash. Obviously, my dog just cannot sit still. Do you guys have any dogs like this that just like follow you around everywhere you go? Sometimes it's really sweet, but sometimes he just gets in my way. Also, and if you've been watching this and you can't stop staring at my hair, I'm so sorry. Now that I'm watching this, it's just like driving me crazy. I wish I could go fix my hair.